Hello children, you are with Star Channel. You are with Star Channel here to become the brilliant student of your class by learning more and more here. So watch, like, subscribe and share this channel.
So this is the seventh chapter of the EVS book Look Around. The name of the chapter is From the Window. And this video is all about question and answer which is related to this chapter. Before going to the question and answers, I would like to recommend you my channel. The name of my channel is Star Channel. This is the channel for the students who wants to learn and grow in their future with good knowledge. And there are some videos, link are here. Must watch, like, share and subscribe. Below I will send you the basically these both. Now move to the question answers. So here is the first question, which might be on 58 page number. Let's read out. First question, which is saying, Omana saw many kinds of vehicles at the railway crossing which are run on diesel or petrol. So, we have to give the answer of those vehicles. So, the answer is bus, car, truck, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, scooter run on diesel or petrol. Here is the second question. Why was there smoke and noise from the vehicles at the level crossing? So the question is asking, while doing the crossing, why there is noise and smoke, which we call pollution. So why is it? So answer is, some vehicles did not stop engine. It is the smoke from the engines that get collected. So while driving and stopping, some vehicles, they don't stop their engine, so it is the reason they produce smoke, because it get collected in the engine. So the third question, have you ever seen a scene like the one Omana saw in Gaon? Describe it. So have you ever seen? So the third question, have you ever seen a scene like the one Omana saw in Gaon? Describe it. This question is asking, have you ever seen the scene like Omana saw? So answer is yes, I have seen such scene in a village in UP or in Delhi, any place where you live. They are cultivated. Move to the other question. So this is the question. This is the next question, which is after some paragraph or some story. So sometimes people cross the tracks even when the crossing is closed. What do you feel about this? So this question is asking, when people are not following the rules of road rules, so is it okay? So the answer is, people should not do like this. There is no point to take such risk. Life is costless. Yeah. Next question, move to the next question. Have you seen any bridges? Where? The question is asking, have you seen bridges? If yes, then where? The answer is yes, on the river. Third question, have you ever crossed a bridge? Where? And this question is asking, have you ever crossed a bridge? If yes, then where? Answer is yes, Delhi. Question number 4, what did you see below the bridge? Question is asking, when you are crossing the bridge, what you have seen below the bridge? So while crossing the river from the bridge, I have seen water. So the answer is water. Question number 5, find out why bridges made are. Question is asking, why we are making bridge. So the answer is, bridges help us to cross rivers, uneven areas easily. Question number 6. Have you ever been through a tunnel? How did you feel? The question is asking, have you ever gone through the tunnel? And yes, so how did you feel? How you felt while going to the tunnel? So the answer is yes, I felt nervous. So now move to the next question, which is on 57 page number. Question number first, which is asking, the route from Goa to Kerala has a total of 2000 bridges and 92 tunnels. Why do you think there are so many bridges and tunnels? Answer is, the route is full of mountains and rivers. That's why there are so many bridges and tunnels. Question number second. Imagine if on the way there had been no tunnels and bridges. How would Omana's train have crossed the mountains and rivers? Answer: no. One train cannot cross mountains and rivers without tunnels and bridges. Next questions, which is on page number 58. First question, what language do you speak at home? So answer is, my mother tongue is Hindi, so I am speaking in Hindi. Question number second, on the way from Gujarat to Kerala, Omana's train went through several states of our country. Find out and list which states is crossed. Answer is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, etc. Thank you.